Okay, I have something fun for you today that's quite counterintuitive. It's called the 2-deck card matching challenge. So you just need 2 ordinary decks of cards. Thoroughly mix each one separately, and I've done that. Set the decks face down on the table. Have the spectator turn over the top card of one of the decks while you do the same for the other. We're looking for at least one matching card pair. So if you bet the spectator that there'll be at least one matching card pair as you go through the decks, you'll have about a 63% chance of winning. If you play the best out of 5, you'll have about a 73% chance of winning, which is far superior to any casino game out there. Okay, so let's check this out. So 63% chance that we'll find a matching pair. I'm going through this just once. And then if you go with the best out of 5, you'll have a 73% chance of winning such a bet. Okay, so these have been mixed thoroughly. They truly have. So let's see if we can get a match. And we're looking for the same card value, color, and suit. Okay. Okay, nothing there. Nothing there. Okay, we're not having much success yet. These are brand new. Oh, 2s. That's nice. Oh, we got one. Got one. Not that far in. About 4th of the deck. We nailed it. We got one. Okay. Well, give me a moment. I'm going to randomize the cards again. Maybe we'll try it a second time. But try this for yourself. It's very, very, very surprising that there's, well over a 50% chance of getting at least one. I guess in some ways what I should have done, which you can do, is not only look at getting just one, look at how many you get, okay? But the probabilities that I gave you actually refer to just getting at least one matching pair, okay? But if you want to check to see if you get more than that, that would be very interesting in and of itself, actually. Okay. Okay. Oh, that wasn't a very good shuffle. You could probably hear that one. That one kind of, well, when the cards are brand new like that, anyone who's tried to shuffle a brand new deck, what I'm dealing with here. Okay, let's do it just one more time, and then you can go and try this on your own. Okay, so we're looking for matching pairs. So technically we had one already, but once again, there's a 63% chance, which means there's a 37% chance of it not working, right? Okay, nope, nope. Ooh, kind of close-ish. Sorry. I'm not being very neat. It has to do with the fact they're brand new. They're sliding everywhere. Okay. Nope. 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 No. Oh, almost. Nope. That's still no, right? It has to match in suit, not just color. Right? Okay. So that would be an exciting close one, but no cigar. Okay. We're getting down the deck here. Okay. So the spectators are going to be feeling pretty good about now, because we're going to be running out of cards here soon. Oh, match in value, but not suit. Oh, I don't know. We may not do it this time. We'll see. Let's go. Keep going. Okay, sorry, that's a no match. No match. I don't know. I think it's looking pretty unlikely now. We may have missed that one. Oh, we did indeed. Well, why don't we just do it? Let's just do what we talked about. Well, maybe we'll do the best out of 5. That could take a while, but let's do it one more time. Okay, but you know what to do now, right? And in some ways, the better you mix the cards, in some sense, the better the chance you have. I haven't really thought through that. Maybe that's a nonsense conclusion there. But no, maybe not, actually. I mean, the probabilities are calculated on assumption of randomization of the deck, like that they're truly randomized. I mean, that's how we come up with the probability estimates there. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, nope, 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 nope. Oh, almost again, but not quite. Okay, nope, nope, nope. Okay. Come on, probability, you've got to be on our side here. Otherwise, you're going to ruin our experiment. Okay. Hope these aren't fully going off the screen. They kind of are. Whoops, sorry. I'm sticking. And one or two close calls, but no, that has to be exactly the same. Okay. We got it. Oh, barely. Well, not barely, but we're running out of cards here, guys. So we got 2, 3 of spades. Okay. Well, anyway, that gives you a feel for it. It's actually kind of an exciting game because, whoops, mixing colors here. If the probabilities were highly skewed in one direction, it's not much fun, right? But, having a 63% chance on a single go through, I mean, that's not a huge advantage. It's it'd be a great one in gambling, of course. That's plenty. But if you do the best out of 5, it jumps it up to 73. And that's getting pretty good. So anyway, I thought I'd share this simple mathematical card effect with you. And I can include, if people are interested, I can include links in the description below to the derivation, the calculations of these probabilities, how they came up with those probability values. So anyway, so thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.